Now we're discussing about the oxidation reaction is performing with the metal and non-metal. Okay, like one example we can consider as a combustion reaction is also the oxidation reaction. Why? Because combustion reaction means what? You are burning the fuel in the presence of oxygen, and any reaction is done but the substance will gain the oxygen, okay, and get oxidized itself by the addition of oxygen in that formula. So that is particular reaction is considered as a oxidation reaction. Okay, so now we discuss about the oxidation reaction is performed with the metal and the non-metal. Okay, we will consider as for the metal and non-metal. In that case, in the oxidation reaction means general term we can consider addition of oxygen, right? For the metal and non-metal, when the metal react with oxygen, it will allow to form metal oxide. Okay. And in non-metal, when react with the oxygen, that will allow to form non-metal oxide. Okay. But the nature of these two is get changed. When the metal react with the oxygen, its nature is become basic. Okay, and when the non-metal get oxidized in the presence of oxygen, this nature is become acidic. Okay, for example, if we'll consider as you have taken the magnesium metal, okay, and we are reacting with the oxygen, and now it's allowed to form the manganese oxide. Okay, so this, if you are checking the pH value with the help of the litmus paper test, so you can see the litmus paper turns blue. Okay, means this is show the basic nature. Okay, and if you are taking, suppose you are burning carbon in the presence of oxygen, and it is get allowed to in the presence of carbon, when the carbon is which is non-metal in nature, it will react with the oxygen and it allowed to form the carbon dioxide gas. So this is the acidic in nature and toxic gases allowed to get formed. Okay, during this kind of the oxidation reaction, and the litmus paper test is done in the red color. Okay, so when the oxygen react with the metal and non-metal, both allow to form oxides of the metal oxides and non-metal oxides, but the nature of metal oxide is basic in nature and the nature of non-metal oxides is acidic in nature. Okay,